ready? Go for it. Marcus is 4 years old and he just learned how to ride his bike. Well, he kind of knew before, but he wasn't very interested in it. But now he enjoys it. And that's Haley. Cheese! Haley's riding her bike. Marcus, are you going to go to the Olympics for the biking event? Watch out for all the drivers on the road. Oh, okay. We're riding on here just in case we fall, because it's padded. And it's just one loop. But he's doing pretty good. They're all doing pretty good. And this is Carlos. Keep pedaling, push. Did you tell Dad you're going to the Olympics for the biking event?